Everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can add text to your photos or edit your photos by writing down something on your photos. So let's get on the photos section. Now I'm starting with the photos, any photo which I like, for example this. If you see that there are three options here, what you need to select is this option. It will start editing the photo. I press it down and the options will this like come up, and now you can see that there's a marker option up above here. You need to press it down and it will show you something which you can write on the photo, for example like this. And now the marker will come up like this, and what you see that it will start writing like this. I don't want to scratch the photo like this, so I don't want to do this. I want to put a text, so there's a positive sign button here. You can select the markers from here, but if you want pre-written formatted computerized text, so here is a positive sign button. Let me show you here. You just need to tap on this button and you can see that there will option like this will come up. You can add the text, add the sticker, image description, or add signature or shape. If I go to the text, it will open up something like this, and you can clearly add the text in your pre-written format, and everything you can adjust accordingly. So from here you can actually add the text to your photo, or any written format you want to put into your photo to add it a little bit of it. So it will help you out. I hope this video helps you out, and if you still want more videos like this to come out, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next video, bye bye.